Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your quick launch into XIAOMI 12T Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find additional settings option. Go into, here choose Gensler shortcuts option, and now for example I want to activate launch camera option. So go into this option and activate, for example, double press to power key and double press to volume down when the screen is locked. So activate these two options and let's try. Firstly, open to power key, double press to power key, and how you can see camera is open. So block our phone and let's try volume down key. And it's turn on our camera too. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.